Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have something a little bit off from what we would normally be doing. I do have an unbagging, but it's not exactly craft related. However, I think everybody has a need for these and they are a bit of fun. So let's get into this. So, these are reusable shopping bags. Tote bags can be used for any number of things. Everybody needs one. They came from a company called, I'm going to say WISKF. It's WISKF. So yeah, Whisk, but then with an F on the end. So they were kind enough to send me these for review. So let's have a look. Let's try it. Bit of crinkling, sorry. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so just bring you out a little bit. Oh, you can see how messy my desk is now. Okay, so size-wise, it's always nice to look at how big these things are. Let's get the big ruler out. They are 40. Yeah, roughly 40 by 40 centimeters. So it's a great size. I am loving this image. As I think most of you probably know by now, I have 3 black cats. This cat in particular reminded me very much of Kuro, who is our male cat. He is a big chunk with huge yellow eyes. So this is lovely. The material for this is a kind of let's see if I can show you, sort of a open weave canvasy type, with a you can feel that it's sort of been sealed on the back. So I wouldn't say it would be waterproof, but certainly it would be splash proof. And then you can see that the handles are stitched in. They are quite a good length. It would work as a shoulder bag, but not as a crossbody bag, I would say. But yeah, great size. So this, as I say, this is the first one they've sent me. The price for the bags is £5.34 each, which I think for a nice, you know, non-standard bag, that's a fair enough price. This is the second one. So I'm having serious camera arm issues today. I do apologise if any of you get a little seasick. Okay, so here is the second one. I could not resist. I adore the designs of Casper Spell. Been a long time follower of their graphic design, which is available on lots of different things. You can get t-shirts, you know, baseball caps, all sorts. But yeah, Coven Club just seemed to fit me very nicely. And they are printed the same on reverse, so, and the same with the other ones. So they are double-sided. Again, we've got stitched in handles, same size. Printing seems good. Yeah, I am really pleased with these. I think they've they've come out lovely. I would definitely be using them. I can see me filling this one with all of my lovely witch casket bits and pieces, to, you know, keep those bits together. And then with my Kuro cat bag, I think that'll be more of an everyday bag. Size wise, let's just have a look. So I mean, you could easily get, you know, iPad, phone, purse, bits and pieces, headphones. There's plenty of space in here. And I think the straps seem to be very securely stitched in, so I don't think you're going to have to worry there. Just going to check those seams on the bottom. Just knowing how heavy things can be sometimes. But no, I think it all seems fine. Yeah, they are really lovely. Pleased with them. Obviously, yeah, as I say, the bags are £5.34 each. However, at the moment on their website, they've got a buy 4 get 1 free offer, and they have been kind enough to give me a discount code to share with you guys. So if you would like to get yourself a funky bag to keep your crafting equipment in, or just to use on a daily basis when you're going to the shops, then you can use the code WITCH05 and get yourself a 5% discount. And yeah, as they say in the supermarket, every little helps. So I'm going to leave this here for today. I just wanted to get these open and show them to you, so that I could then start using them. They've been sat unopened waiting for me to film this. I'm really pleased with them. I think they are incredibly cute. I cannot wait to use them. So all that remains to be said is, if you enjoy my content and want to see more, please do consider to leave a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.